Well, hello everybody. We're back here at Tim Time in the garage, and Chris has his show car Prius just about ready. He's going to take it up to one of the Hemmings car shows. But on the way he realized that he needed a cabin air filter. So he wanted to do a quick demonstration of how to change a cabin air filter. But also he drives all over the country because he's like a nomad, and I had that old CB radio, and we're going to throw that in his car as well. Basically he's just going to plug it into the cigar lighter, and we have an antenna that goes on the roof, a magnet mount. But he's going to move that and show you what you have to do to install your cabin air filter on a 2009 Toyota Prius. No, that's a CB. You don't.
We're moving this out of the way.
Okay, we're going to move that. Good job.
First thing you do is open your glove box like this. If you want to come down here and see.
We see. Oh wait, he's going to show us where you.
Pushing in to open this, you want to push in on the side, because there's a notch right here, and then there's a notch right here on this side. You push both sides in, okay, and it releases down. And then if you can come down here.
Oh, I have to come down even lower. Wait.
Use this arm right here.
You know, my knees aren't what they used to be. Okay.
You have to pull this arm off of that.
Pull that arm
right there.
Does it pull off easy?
It pulls off real easy.
Okay.
And it's like,
oh, and then what the heck?
Like a spring, and it bounces back. And now this just releases off these notches.
So it just kind of pivots down.
Pivots off of those right there, and then it's out of the way. Now we want to pull the cabin air filter out.
So let me get down in there.
There's a notch.
So I can see what you're actually doing.
There's a notch right here, and there's one on the other side. You push both of them in. And
nope, you broke it!
You pull it straight out like that.
Oh, look at that.
And there's your old...
Look at that old cabin. Because you change these probably every month, don't you?
This has not been changed. So as you see, it's really filthy.
Yeah, so it's not supposed to look like that.
That's why we're doing the cabin air filter change, because this one is dirty. So, and all you do is there's clips on the side, you pull it out, and you get it around the clips, and you pull that one out. And this one we're going to throw away.
You don't want to send that back to the dealer? So they may want to use that. It might, as an experiment.
I don't think we'll get any warranty
okay,
points.
so here, not a plug.
Now we're
here,
opening.
We got one of these from who else but Amazon.
Cabin air filter.
And just found it on Amazon.
How clean.
I think it was what, $7, $8, somewhere in that area. US dollars, 7 or 8.
Yeah. But look how clean it is.
So one of the things too that you may find when your cabin air filter gets really dirty is the airflow coming out of your vents may decrease. Maybe you won't get as much airflow across your defroster or your heater vents, your AC vents. So here's a good thing to check it, and if you have one, to clean it, or rather replace it.
Replace it.
So
and you want to make sure that you get it under the knobs. There's knobs on all sides.
All right.
So now it's back in, as you see, both sides.
So it's in. Okay.
So, and if you look right here,
it says up.
An arrow says up. So you want to put it back in, and again, you want to push it until these clip.
So we'll watch the master at work there.
See how precise
you don't need a
there?
hammer, or do you need a hammer, screwdriver? You want some impact tools?
Nope.
No glue, tape?
See, it's in, and it won't come out until we push this.
All right, so show us the glove box going back together.
How's it? Going back together.
See if we can see how that actually...
You put these back on, and it just pivots back up
right in.
Like that, and you got to get the arm that's on the spring.
Remember that little arm on the spring?
Pull the arm back out, and you hook it back onto the knob, like so.
8 fingers weren't in the way, we'd be able to see. Okay,
and now these notches again.
Okay, and there's the notches that Chris spoke of.
Push the side in until the notches clip.
There's notches on each side, right?
On each side. There's one on there, one there. And then when it clips, now you just push it like that. And there you go.
All right, so
you have your glove box and your air filter back in.
So a lot of times in those air filters you'll find leaves and just about anything else that might have blown in from under the cowling. That's behind the hood where it actually gets the air intake from.
Depending on what terrain you're driving in, you might get a lot of different debris.
So you do a lot of off-roading in the Prius, don't you?
No.
No, you don't. No off-roading.
Do not have four-wheel drive.
Nothing, no four-wheel drive. Okay. All right. Well, hey, thanks for watching, and hopefully, wait, all I saw was a hand waving. Okay. Hopefully that was helpful, and
2009 Toyota Prius.
I'll try to zoom in so I'm staring at something other than your crotch or your feet or your hand. So there's a 2009 Toyota Prius, and that was the air filter replacement. Thanks for watching.